Hey guys, we're going to look at doing a hieroglyph today, and the hieroglyph we're looking at is a Mayan hieroglyph, and it is the hieroglyph for chocolate. So we're going to have a little go at drawing. You can draw with me if you like, step by step, or you can pause the video and draw in your own time. So the first thing I'm going to draw is this little curved line here. So if you draw that with me, and the Mayans absolutely love this chocolate. These little lines that are angular, they're at an angle. So you can draw those in. Yeah, they loved it so much, but it was just for priests and royalty and celebrations, ceremonies. And the next bit we're going to draw is the top of the head. I think it looks a bit like a monkey. It may well have been a monkey. You should research it and find out more. And then we're going to curve this up, and it's going to come down. I'm just going to leave it there for a minute. It looks a little bit strange at the moment, doesn't it? And from here, we have these little lines that just follow the curve in towards the head shape. Now from this end, we're going to have a nose and a mouth, and these two lines join together. And this is kind of the top of the head here. Then we're going to draw from around here, comes down, round, and curves back like an eye. So these hieroglyphs were often found on these little chocolate vessels that they used to drink the chocolate from. Then we've got in the eye, a bit like a pupil. It's a very big one. And we have a little dot here which looks a bit like a nostril to me. And then we have these, it's a bit like a cloud. I think it may be a lip. And then from that same area, we go up to the bottom of the drawer and come back and go back into the edge. And then it has like a little band that curves around the bottom jaw like that. If you want to draw that in. And then it has a curly bit that goes around the back and curls towards the back like that. It's quite important, that bit. And it also has another curl. I think this bit looks a bit like a cheek, but that goes on there. And we're almost done now already. All we have to do is two little dots up here. I'm not really sure why they're there. You should research into it, find out why. So the important bit about this now, this area here is ka. This area here is also ka. And this bit here, though it's U, it's actually pronounced ow. So it's cow. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe. It's free and you can always change your mind, but it means I can make more videos. Ring the bell if you want me to let you know when I've made another one. Here's your top tip. Top tip! Hi guys, here's your top tip. So I have coffee stained the background. I sprinkled some coffee on whilst it was wet to make these marks and textures. Then I've drawn a pattern to make it look really old and authentic.